if you need cobblestone, or you need a food source, or you just want to know how to get petrified saplings, here's your tutorial. So all you need to do is go ahead and get yourself 8 dirt acorns, dirt sapling, and ideally you're going to need 18 wood planks, but you could actually do this with about 5. So what you need to do, first of all, is put down 6 wooden blocks like that, take the remaining 12 to your crafting station, and turn them into oak wood slabs. Then, once again, put them in your craft station like so, and you'll have dry racks. This is how we're going to turn the acorns into the items we need. Then you put the dry racks on the wall like so. Sorry, it is dark. Put the dirt acorns, and as you can see, the progress bar at the top, it'll take up to a minute, and then they'll turn into petrified acorns. I've made some here already, just for the speed of time. You bring this to your crafting station, put the dirt sapling in the middle, and surround it like so. This is then a petrified sapling. You'll plant it like normal. Now you've got your resin and your acorns, I recommend making yourself some cobblestone, like so, and then actually making yourself a furnace when possible. The reason this is really important early game is if you're using quick mine and tiltify and things like that, the sort of saturation on your acorns goes from 1/4 to, I believe that's 3/4, and a half a hunger to a whole hunger, really just making the most of your acorns as food. All you need is some wood, which you're going to have plenty of from chopping down all the trees, and the acorns to then give you a sustainable food source, but also a food source that really helps get your saturation up early game. Now, obviously later game, there are going to be much better ways to do this, but for now, all you've got is acorns. Thank you for watching. This has been a Sky Factory 4 tutorial.